Hello everyone, this is Anne Marie. Today is Thursday and it is March the 7th. Here's a SPY outlook. Was out of the office unexpectedly yesterday afternoon, was unable to do the video, but I am taking care of it now. We can see that we are still a little bit of sloppy range bound action right here, getting frothy. Notice the flattening action here on our technical indicators coming into the zero line. Not really saying things are going to roll over, just weakness showing up. Now here's the thing, in a trend, when we see technical divergence like this, higher highs and lower highs, it does not necessarily mean a rollover at all. What it does mean is that a pullback into support is pretty likely. So what should we expect to see? Well, if these things stay above zero, if you don't use the DPO, which is the detrended price oscillator, you should. It's a really, really nice little tool. I like it a lot. And of course, you know, I believe that the SMI is one of the best indicators out there. That's certainly something to look at. This event here, as long as it stays in trending territory, it should be okay. But notice, if you look through my formations, and these charts are by Motive Wave, absolutely fabulous. Great trading platform in terms of charting software. So here it is right here. These levels are pretty high. Notice the pullback into the zero line, but it is into support. Technical divergence does not mean a rollover event, but as momentum begins to dampen and things start moving a little bit sideways, we do expect that we want to test whether these things are holding or not. The loss of the pivot here is going to bring a test of this event. I do not believe that fib is going to matter at this juncture. This level going to be really pretty important, right? Coming down to the base of the gap event. If it slips in there, watch it walk through the gap. Going to be very interesting at the 100 level, but the pullback is so far still into support. Notice the VWAPs, brain hemorrhage. Notice the VWAPs. Notice the trending event. Listen, VWAPs are meant to hold price levels pretty closely. If we start veering away from them rapidly, we will return into the space. And here we are, pretty significant difference here between this, particularly this VWAP, and this price action should be drifting a little coming into that region. Now we've had a couple of days of really pretty savage movement between the 4th and the 5th. Yesterday, potentially today, half of the day before yesterday, and potentially today, we should have a drifting over so that we can test these levels, work off a little bit of that maximum, quote, overbought, end quote, territories, and then, you know, we'll see more upside action. It seems like this is where we're going to, but listen, don't try to guess what the market is doing. Let the market tell you what it's doing and follow along. I know I sound like a broken record, but if you intend to make money and keep making money consistently, you're going to do less gambling and more probability speculation. All right? What's most likely, if I take a step in one direction, is going to lead me to taking a trade that's going to give me the right answer. All right? Take care. Good luck.